All right, I'm out here in this brand new neighborhood, Mezzano, a Park Square Homes community. This is beautiful. They're all brand new townhomes that are being put up. Some are available now and some will be available by the end of this year and into next year. But this is a great neighborhood because it backs up to Lakeview neighborhood. And you can see over there, I don't know how well you can see from here, but there's actually a pond over there. And then there's, it's actually more like a little bit of a lake. But you can't go on it, it's private. It's not anything anybody's able to use, but it's great. But just wanted you to see what's going on over here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, these are all the new townhomes over here. They're beautiful. I'm gonna show you some stuff from the inside. But what I really do like about this is that it backs up to Orange County National Golf Course. It's right there behind these. If I zoom in over here towards the end, that's the actual Orange County National Golf Course back there. But this is the Lakeview neighborhood. You go down here, that takes you right to Seidel. You can see the Disney fireworks every night from this neighborhood. It's great. Get a hold of me. I'm working directly with the sales department inside, and I can show you what's available, when things will be built, what the prices are. Okay, this is Orange County National Golf Course, right behind here. And then if you look across the street over there, you can't get to that street from here, you have to go out and go around. That's Summer Lake neighborhood that's over there. That's the pond right there. These are the new units getting put up. All two-story townhomes. Get a hold of me, Greg with EXP. I can help anybody find a great unit that they want in a perfect area. Okay, this is what these townhomes are going to look like. These aren't the actual units. These are close to it though. This is the aerial view. So this is where it's at right here as I spin this. It's already been built up. You have this big pond here. Here's the Orange County National Golf Course over here. They don't even have a model house up and open yet. But this is what the model house is going to look like when it's done. Very similar to that. And this is very close to Disney. Beautiful townhomes. And a great area. Okay, here's a little bit better aerial shot so you can see it. This neighborhood right here, I'm spinning a mouse around, is Lakeview neighborhood. All fairly new homes. That neighborhood's right here as I spin it around. And these are the two pond lakes. And then this is the main road. This is the Summer Lake Road that I'm spinning around here. And this is the Summer Lake neighborhood. This is the Orange County National Golf Course over here. As I zoom out a little bit now, I'm going to show you how close you are to Disney World. Okay? So literally, there's the Magic Kingdom right there. You'd be in that neighborhood, and it's going to dead end back into the Orange County National Golf Course. And it's going to be around those two lakes, so this is a very prime area. Get a hold of me if you want to buy a great townhouse in the perfect area that's close to Disney and all these theme parks. You couldn't beat where this is right now. You literally come out of there, come out to Seidel Road, which is this road here, and it goes up here over to Reams Road and down. It's literally only about a 3-mile ride. This is the public employee parking lot at Disney where everybody parks, but you can take this road here, and that road takes you to all the other Disney parks. There's the resort, Epcot, Disney Animal Kingdom, all of it. Just wanted to show you that so you know exactly where you are. And you get to see the fireworks every night from Disney. Can't beat that.